It's just a nice day out today, and we're out here on the swing, just enjoying the weather. In today's video, I'm gonna give you my top 5 reasons why in 2019 I bought a DJI Spark. So let's go ahead and get to it. Go ahead and take a stroll with me, and we'll go ahead and talk about reason number 1. We bought the DJI Spark in 2019. Now the first reason is sheer size and portability. Now the drone is small, fits easily in the palm of my hands, and it slips in my camera bag pretty easy. So every morning when I wake up, I'm gonna head out with my bag. I just grab my bag, slip my drone in there, and it's ready to go. Now the one I got comes with a case to house my 2 extra batteries and my drone, so it makes it even easier to slip in. I don't have to carry an extra huge bag or a suitcase looking thing to carry my drone. This is easy to take with me. And that's pretty much about it, man. It weighs so light, so light. You barely even know I have it in my bag. I'm gonna be out for the day, so I don't wanna be having a heavy bag by carrying a huge drone in it. And we'll go ahead and get into step number 2. Reason number 2 we bought the drone is because it has auto liftoff. Now I know many other drones have auto liftoff, which is fine, but the auto liftoff bundled with everything else I liked in this just helped me choose, what I wanted. Now this auto liftoff will raise to about 3 foot 4 inches, so it's not too high, kind of about waist, a little above waist level, depending on how tall you are. And it just hovers there, and it's kind of nice. Now, like I said, I know many other drones have this feature, but with the combination of all the things, so we got the size and the portability, and now we got the auto launch, which really helps kind of drive me to that decision. And we're gonna go on to a third decision why we bought this drone. And let's go ahead and get into that. Now reason 3 we bought this drone. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, man. This water is moving really fast and it is loud today. But one of the key features that it has is it's called Droney. It's one of their intelligent features. Now this will allow you to span up and out on a click of a button, just one button, to kind of get you a dynamic shot and make it look really awesome in your videos. And another one that they have out of the 4 is called Rocket. Now this one will go ahead and locate you, and it will shoot straight up into the sky like a rocket, and it'll get you some cool photos right there. Now you can use that to catch photos, you can use that to record to get a good video, man. Maybe you want to span out or something like that. Just a really awesome feature to have. Now there's another one called Helix, where it'll span out and up and do a 360. This feature, be careful now, I went ahead and hit a tree. Make sure there's nothing around you when you do this one, because you can hit trees. I hit the tree my first time doing it. I didn't realize how close and how far it went out, which was pretty cool though. Luckily my drone is fine. And then there is one more called Circle. And now this one is pretty much exactly what it says. It just records and does a full circle, which leaves another feature that is pretty awesome that you can use and work into your videos. Especially if you're recording YouTube videos, you can get some cool shots like that. You can work these in different ways and kind of make up some cool shots, man. You can be out here on the water or anything like that, kayaking, and you can get some cool shots, brought you aerial shots. So let's go ahead and get into our 4th one. Now let's go over the 4th and 5th reason why I bought the DJI Spark in 2019. The first reason is the price. Now for a brand new Spark for just the drone, it's $399, and you can control it off your phone and connect it, but I don't suggest doing that. It's actually pretty hard. I suggest going ahead and getting the controller. Now the controller will run you about $100, but you can also look around on Amazon and the DJI Spark website, Best Buy, and you can find the Fly More package. The Fly More package will come with an extra battery, the controller, the Spark itself, and some propellers, and even the guards for your propellers while you're learning how to fly. But you can do what I did also. I went ahead on Facebook Marketplace and I kind of searched it around, and I actually got the Fly More package that will run you about $550, $600 for only $275. I found somebody who was really wanting to give it away, to get rid of it, and they originally wanted $300, and I kind of shot them down to $275, and I picked it up for $275, the Fly More package. So you can save some money that way. Craigslist maybe. I prefer Facebook Marketplace. And now the 5th reason is gonna go ahead and just be, it's cool. It's freaking cool looking, man. you can't go wrong with it, just the way it looks. Now I know it looks like the Maverick, but I ain't shopped in that price range yet. We'll go ahead and do that another time. We'll upgrade here in maybe a few months if we're lucky enough. But yeah, with that being said, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and we'll be back for another video.